Leah came to me and asked if I would write a recommendation letter for her to the STARS program, the UMSL STARS program. And of course I said yes, because it's so easy to write a recommendation letter for a student like Leah. So I wrote that letter last spring and she got accepted.
The STARS research program is sponsored by UMSL, so University of Missouri St. Louis. They've been having this summer research program where they reach out to local high schools and they place the STAR students that apply into research labs. And so in the summer, we really bring in quite a bit in biology and chemistry and biomedical engineering, where we have a nice community of STAR students from all over the St. Louis metropolitan area.
I've always been curious about science, and when thinking about how I wanted to spend my summers, I saw that there were opportunities in my community to get involved in research, and the STARS program was the perfect fit. I got to meet a bunch of students from other high schools who were also interested in science, and as well as biological sciences, engineering, and plant science, and I got to learn about their research too, which I think was very enriching. And I really enjoyed doing research, and that was definitely a way I wanted to spend my summers.
She always wants to know the deeper meaning behind everything that she learns. She always wants to have the why behind what she actually observes, either in the laboratory or things that she learns in lessons. She's always very inquisitive and asking, for the deeper meaning underneath the things that she's learning.
So every day she came with a smile. Everything seemed exciting in the lab, and it really brought joy to the rest of us as well, because we kind of get in a rut, you're doing the same thing. And so when she would ask us why we're doing something, we'd explain it, and then it's exciting, and we're like, oh yeah, I see that connection, that's really neat. So every little thing was really interesting for her, and then that kind of helped spark our interests again.
Well, right now I want to be a pediatrician, so I got to do research that would affect kids and, their wellness. So it was great to see what was being done in the field that I'm interested in to improve it. And I've always wanted to be in the medical field, but I love kids, and I think that a pediatrician would be the best fit.
Hi Leah, it was great to have you in my lab over the summer. You were awesome, and I'm sure you're going to do awesome in everything you do in the future, so congrats.
Congratulations, Leah. You're going to do so great no matter what it is you do in the future.